Want to start your own boutique but without the hassle of inventory? In 2025, dropshipping is the way to go. Here's how you can build your very own dropshipping boutique from scratch. Hey, I'm Terry. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to launch your own dropshipping boutique this year. What is dropshipping and why it's perfect for 2025? Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without worrying about stock, shipping, or handling inventory. In the age of digital transformation, low startup costs and automation makes it easier to run your business more than ever. Choosing your niche. A boutique should have a unique appeal, so pick something you're passionate about, whether it's sustainable fashion, beauty, or accessories. Look at social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest to see what's trending. You can even search for fashion trends for 2025 just so you are aware. Next will be setting up your online store. Of course, I'm going to recommend Shopify. It's the best platform and option for beginners. And plus, you can easily integrate certain products without having to worry about inventory. Now, they do have certain free plans. If you click Start Free Trial, you can start for free and then enjoy your first month for $1. And that is a few of their current prices. But the beginner basic plan is more than just enough. Also, don't forget about the most important pages, about us, shipping, and contact and refunds. And I do offer pre-built Shopify dropshipping boutiques. These are built so you can launch your online store quickly and ready to use templates, integrated suppliers, and seamless setups. You can skip the technical hassle and start selling right away so you can just focus on growing your business. The next step is finding suppliers. Now, of course, you always want to order samples just to make sure the vendor is reliable. I'm going to give you guys three free dropshipping vendors you can use. This is the first one. This is Trenzy. They do have fast shipping, 5 to 7 days. I have used them before. So pretty much you can start selling more without any upfront costs. And this is how dropshipping works. So pretty much you will connect your Shopify store, order samples, add products to sell, and then you pay your product costs once you get an order. And then Trenzy will quality check the item and ship it to your customers. And then your customer receives the order with your branded invoice. So that is how that works. And they have thousands of quality products. So you can automate, save time, and stay calm. And the next vendor is My Online Fashion Store. This is a vendor that I have used as well in the past when I did have a dropshipping boutique. They also have fast shipping, 5 to 7 day, and they are a US-based vendor. They even have men's selection. So they are called My Online Fashion Store. And then if you just go to the Shopify app store and just type in fashion or dropshipping, tons and tons of vendors will pop up that you can use. But these are just a few that I recommend. So yeah, and DSER, which is AliExpress, is one as well. The next step is the most important, which is marketing your boutique. So, of course, you want to use social media, Instagram, YouTube. I don't know how long TikTok going to be around, but this is one boutique that I always recommend their content. If you haven't heard of Lily's Closet, definitely go check them out on Instagram. Their content is top tier. They definitely know who their target audience is. If you check on their feed, search around, you can tell they know that their target audience likes to go for coffee or likes to go for brunch with the girls. This is the most important part. If you don't market your boutique clothes, your items, you will not bring in sales. And I think it's very important. So be sure to have a marketing strategy. And if you're like, oh, what if I don't want to show up on camera? You can definitely look up UGC creators, which is user-generated content on Fiverr. There's people that will pretty much model your clothes for you. All you have to do is pay them and send them the item. So I definitely recommend checking out Fiverr if you don't want to show your face for your boutique. So next will be automation and scaling. Scaling your business as it grows. So reinvest, pay for ads, expand your product line. Maybe you want to hire a virtual assistant, or you can even go from dropshipping to wholesale. Starting a dropshipping boutique in 2025 is all about passion, strategy, and smart tools. It may take some time, but with consistency, you can build a thriving online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. Good luck with your boutique, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.